Cheng Bao has gained another fierce warrior. Tai-san, just hearing the name, feels very strong and fierce. Whose backup is this? Be sure to promote them as I have important tasks.
Today, we're filming the 4-wheel drive frame max version, and this is its key. First, its overall appearance isn't as striking as its two big brothers, Leopard 5 and Leopard 8. This one looks very refined and compact. The lighting system uses an integrated headlight design. The two strips on top are daytime running lights, while the lower ones are the high and low beams, all LED. Then on the outside of the wheel arch is designed with an air duct, which can reduce some wind resistance coefficient during driving and also help cool the tires. Then on the front bumper there are 6 radar points. This car is equipped with front parking sensors and a camera below the center of the emblem. The overall dimensions of the vehicle are length 4,605 mm, width 1 meter 90 centimeters, and height 1,720 mm. Wow, the height is the same as mine. The wheelbase is 2,745 mm and it is positioned as a compact SUV. The suspension system uses a McPherson strut in the front and a multi-link structure in the rear. And on the side, you can see the rear windows adopt a privacy glass design, which protects the privacy of the rear windows well. As for the wheels, they feature a 5-spoke aluminum alloy design with a low wind resistance wheel cover in the middle, and the tire size is 24, size 550 by 19. The front hood here uses a hydraulic rod design, and on the high-end version, the front hood is electrically operated, with a button reserved here for opening. Above there's padding provided because it's a pure electric version, so the front trunk has a storage space, and below the panel there are some tools that come with the car. In terms of power, it has a dual motor layout front and rear with a maximum power of 310 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 510 newton meters. This part is for adding windshield washer fluid. On the rear side of the passenger seat is the charging port, which includes fast charging and slow charging options. The battery used is BYD's lithium iron phosphate battery with a capacity of 72.96 kilowatt hours. This is the rear of the vehicle, and from the back it has a very off-road feel, especially with the small backpack on the back. The backpack can be opened, revealing a storage space where you can store some personal items. It says here that the weight limit is 3 kilograms. Then the lower bumper has 6 radar points, and this car comes standard with automatic parking across all models, which is very friendly for new drivers. Here is its badge, Tai-san. It says 4.9S, meaning 4.9 seconds for acceleration. And below it says Eye of the Sky God, as this vehicle comes with intelligent assisted driving. Open the car door. It is a manually open side door, and on the door panel there is a small pocket that can hold some items. Here is a handle, and here is its rear seat in an upright position. You can take a look at the overall space, and then this panel, when opened, has a recessed storage space inside, and you can also take this panel. The panel can be placed at the bottom, which is also possible. Then on both sides here, there is a small hook designed with a load capacity of 2 kilograms. The rear seats also support a 60-40 split down. After folding them, take a look at the overall space performance. I've brought this panel back up, and the levelness feels pretty good. If you go out to play, lying down briefly in the back to rest is also no problem. The door handles use electronic retractable door handles, and the front row features keyless entry. The rear view mirrors automatically fold when the car is locked. Now let's get inside and take a look around. The overall interior design style is somewhat similar to that of its sibling, the Leopard 5. Let's first take a look at the craftsmanship. The steering wheel is made of leather material, and on both sides there are some functional buttons. Below there is a switch for adjusting the driving mode. Then there's a button to open a support, and the entire upper part of the door panel, including the lower part, and the entire dashboard upper part, including the lower part here. The areas that can be touched are basically all made of leather, and the workmanship is very good. Then on the passenger side, there is a standard hydraulic handle. The central control screen uses a 15.6-inch LCD screen. The overall clarity and interface style are not much different from the previous version. Inside, it is also equipped with some localized apps that can connect with our phones, which is quite convenient. Moreover, the phone connectivity supports Huawei's HiCar. Below, there are 2 places to put phones, and the left side even supports a 50-watt wireless fast charge. As for the gear lever, it is still an electronic design, and both sides retain physical buttons like its start button, driving mode switch, and air conditioning button, which is commendable. Below here there are 2 cup holders, and the central armrest box is quite deep, enough to fit about 6 cans of cola. As for the seats, they all use this leather-wrapped material, and the side wings are quite wide, providing a strong sense of enclosure when seated. And in the middle, there is also a perforated design. The configuration of this model includes both front seats with ventilation and heating functions. And up here, there's a sunglasses case, not an ashtray. The 2 sun visors in the front both have makeup mirrors and fill lights. There's also a handle on the passenger side. The entire roof uses a segmented sunroof design, and the area is quite large. From front to back, there's an electric sunshade, providing shade in summer and letting in light in winter. The front windshield is made of double-layer laminated soundproof glass. And now I've adjusted the front seat to a normal driving position. As everyone knows, I'm 1 meter 72 centimeters tall. Let's check out the rear seat to see how the space is.
Sit properly.
There's approximately two fifths of space left in the back. So now there's a small pocket and the entire rear floor is completely flat. The rear has independent air vents and below there are 2 charging ports, one Type-C and one USB. There's also a small storage compartment below for placing a phone. The rear seats are equipped with 3 headrests and there's an armrest in the middle with 2 cup holders inside. Additionally, the angle of the rear backrest can be slightly adjusted according to your needs.